Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, or welcome. My name's Kylie, aka Kai Quinn, and today is December 11th. It's the 11th. It's been 2 weeks since I started working on the Miata with Tyler. Last weekend we had home renovations. We got all new windows around the house, so I was preoccupied. I couldn't go down to Tyler's, and he actually had some personal things to do, so life always delays us, so it's okay. I'm heading there now. I'm an hour out, and today we are finally pulling the motor, and yeah, some other things. I have a bunch of parts in my backseat. I would show you right now, but I am on the highway, so that's not smart to just it's bad enough I'm already recording this. But I got my heater core. Woo! That was like the main part I could not really find online. They're selling them for like $300. That was insane. Alright, so I will see you guys when I get to Tyler's. Alright, so we just got to Tyler's. Here's the car.
So there's no tensioner to remove the...
That's what the tensioner is.
So
Tyler, you want to update the vlog real quick?
on what?
What's going on?
Oh, okay. So we're removing the alternator, the power steering rack, and AC compressor. Or not power steering rack, but the power steering pump.
And the AC.
Yeah.
And we're also removing the dash for the heater core.
So the tension...
First, let's go get the rest of the parts out of my car. It's kind of drizzling right now. Got the heater core. So this goes right there. You see those two pipes?
These ones are perfectly round.
Yes, this is the whole fucking unit.
Besides this one. This one we can...
It's alright, I can flare it. That's what
Yeah.
that tool is. If she can get it out today, I'll flare that.
So that's staying in here because I'm getting that powder coated. So let's go into the trunk. I have so many. You guys have no idea. Look at this. Look at all these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That big one. So right now I'm just dividing everything into one box so we don't have a million fucking boxes. Because I don't know why they gave me a million boxes. Like, I easily fit that all in one box. They could have done the same.
Another fucking pipe.
Tyler's looking through my eBay cold air intake to make sure everything's there.
What the hell is this thing?
Oh god. So as Tyler pulls those last 3 things out, I'm going to be pulling the dash. So let's get started. This is it so far. I just need to take this part off now. Woo! So I got my bezels off. Now time to take out the cluster. Boom, boom.
No. There you go. There's one on the bottom too.
Let me get in there. Yes. Alright, so we've all been stuped on how to pull this dash out for like one singular thing. So Tyler's in there figuring it out. His dad's watching a video. Let's see.
This is a really nice short though.
Thank you. It's Megan Racing.
Something stuck on here. Break it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, so the dash is fucking out. Woo! Look at this crusty ass heater core. Ugh. Time to replace. Bye. Say bye to the cruise control, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Toss that bitch.
in this group chat we're in?
He's got like some shit going on.
He has a Miata.
He has a Miata.
Hey guys, I'm actually on my way home right now. I had an at-home emergency, so Tyler's going to finish pulling the engine, send me a video so I can add it in here. Next time, I'm gonna be sanding my engine bay, finishing the heater core replacement, and some more fun stuff. I'm excited. The car has come such a long way in a short amount of time so far. At this rate, we should be done in no time. Thank you guys for like following along this journey. But yeah, I'm not gonna post this video until next week when I finish the heater core and the engine's out, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is overdue again. I'm sorry. Life doesn't always work in my favor whenever it comes to the Miata. I figure it out, and I've learned to just I've learned to come to terms to just accept it. So here I am, 2 weeks later after I made the first half of this video. So yeah, we are going to be working on the car today. I'm on my way there. I have a day off. It's actually Thursday, December 22nd. So Christmas is in 3 days. That's exciting. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to Tyler's. So we're with the car. As you can see, I got my new engine in. It's a box. Call it a box series. Here's the engine. All right. But we're going to be focusing on the heater core today. Finally get that out and replace it and move on. So I went ahead and started getting a couple bolts out. So I just have one more, I believe, and then it should come out. But we'll double check that. So we got it out. Sheesh. Crusty. Put the old heater core, you can't really see it, it's right there. Now we got the new one in front of me. We got Tyler's dad putting in the grommets for me. It's good? Alright, now we're gonna put this sucker through. Well, new heater core is in. Pipes definitely look prettier than it did. What you doing over here?
Right now we're pulling the exhaust manifold off so we're gonna disconnect the EGR so you're not gonna run that anymore. And we're gonna take the head off so you can do your head gasket.
Lost the oil. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. All this is getting painted, new clutch, because this is, yeah, no good. Well, that's the end of this week's episode. I know I told you guys I would be shaving and sanding my engine bay today, but we will do that next week or next time, whenever the next time I'm here. Just too much to do at once, but heater core is replaced. A bunch of the stuff is off engine. And yeah, moving forward. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Why would we wait? Why